Owusu Bempah any Kevin Taylor enya beef na no de na utimi say Kevin attack na wa attack a year NS Owusu Bempah me say yes of Owusu Bempah we ye earnest we on your prophet NS Owusu Bempah utimi say wo sha nanso obenya din e wo MPP mu nti utimi say General Mosquito no sana ye obi wo MPP mu nso ana na no atiye pa na Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ne eye NS Owusu Bempah nya beef na Kevin no utimi say na asem no wo de free baby na edu baby em say before answer eye omampani Akufo-Addo ba be kire konwa so no NS Owusu Bempah e de nsem bi emane eye Kevin say se wonim na say eye na Akufo-Addo e be kire konwa so na power be di omo nsem a baby o hye e wo Virginia brochire biara wono NS Owusu Bempah be hwe eye Kevin na waje sebe ne nkrata afini nsem awo na tikwa sipremu abona baga na ase na brabo enye yeda sana eye Kevin so se sana ma we nyina a eye NS Owusu Bempah ye nyina odigu archive sene be ya wono su bibisi a wono so be kwakofa ba fofia nto ata eye Kevin wo mo so wo ma ban aba no se wo hwe sika Kevin se wo hwe sika do so popa ye no NS Owusu Bempah ewia de si dan pa ne nyina enye ne bottom sika na mu MPP fo sika wo mo de koma no se wo fa nkoye eye campaign mom na ko mo timi mbre konwa no so no ne nyina Owusu Bempah tan so a wo fa sika ne nyina anye enti Kevin say what the instruction to baby be especially airport eye NS woni hu kwaso wo fu pray ba brochiri enti eye Kevin ese Owusu Bempah eme hane ho emfo pray emba brochiri wono akasa wo baga na hase na efie na wotimo no Kevin say enye usika enye sweat ena wo de CNT ono wo ba abetwaja atum before answer and after ye be sweat John Dramani Mahama in obe make sure so be o Ghana ni yesue ni ina sa eye 7 January hey Owusu Bempah oho be chill we entokwa we anodi we who kosam entokwa we who kosam message all do comment be ba Attention TV na wasan so like Attention TV subscribe abaye channel no so na wan so akere wadwe san entokwa we who kosam wo hwe video na be so be ja comment ma yanko Kevin wo mo mienu ni nyina me enti omanum nsam emra
the whole MPP executives or say pamu the chairman the general secretary the communication boy their friend Abua Papono man $3 million Abua Papon man $3 million as the deputy director of communications. There are other agencies okoji sika oho sasika no wanfa mo bia Abua Papon entimi hu MPP fo na M3 ana mo hu ya mobo mo ko busa Abua Papon o senka mo chine bu ni kuno sa boy no o de $3 million different companies and agencies tamusika man so on the deputy communications director. He went to different companies, different institutions. Ebi tro check $200,000. Ebi man physical cash or jisika no one farm ba from. And o tia kra na okekan kwasi asem. At a point mo party he mame tro ade. Party mo to aba aka a day to elections. Hwade mame tro ade. Enti a whole deputy director of communications echo a whole constituency. Do you know what he went to do? Mame tro.
Me a dangerous human being. Me kanti mutani ba Ghana oka mabuma NDC for so I'm one of them because I am dangerous. I'm saying it here. I know what I'm talking about. What you say? Me nana che mensa awomo abobwase minimum the track records. Me nya obia me obi betime hunu na me push me over. Uye babu me say wa bam wo tumi no power. And I'm telling you, uye babu na obi a shokutupa say kodi independent echi me dey be kanma kan biam because we are kitwa me bebre we are kitwa me bebre and this is a warning I'm giving to anybody. Ura, you be prepared to sign your obituary. Be prepared to sign your obituary. So obituary you're gone too soon. Yeah, they are born your family members. Me say wa ben you tumi no power. And I'm telling you, it's the last time I'm talking because real gangsters don't talk. They don't talk. Oh, they don't rattle. They don't use radio to talk. Crony idea. eti de ye kan say asema maken won tase sabe se panico ni na ba na bi because ye tase na
say owo tumi omo power de omo pe no omo ye omo botuo obituary ye de obetare da ho me say sa obituary no onu mom ne ebedi nkade na tare da ho Owusu Bempah. And people like you, we are not done with you people. We will make sure say Ghana enya wo there. Sa edana we wiase case ni ye betwa jatum. Ne ahwe wo tumi no de obetum di aye. Owusu Bempah, me say Ghana for be kire say gangster on sakotre. Na akata nkasa, akata ni o ya akata ni onsuro huhuro. Owusu Bempah, me say ye be kire say gangster papa on sakotre. Ena akata papa bia nsuro huhuro. Ye be mia jacket wo wiem. Wona wo tumi, be ma tumi na fono. Me say bre ne swejo mahama in. Me catch him say on the 7th of January, ye swejo mahama in emra nye adwuma for 24 hours. Ye de swejo mahama nsem na oswe na kigidingidi ni ye wie. Sa 24 hours no etumi nye adwuma wo Ghana. Ni ye be hwe bebi akotre gangster be kwa akose. Ye be hwe bebi a gangster be kwa akoda adwo no. Me say gangster and sakotre ye be kire say gangster on sakotre and akata bia ni wo osuro huhuro.
This is going to be the beginning and end of you in terms of how we are going to drag you to come and face the laws of this country. Odopa market on the wall. Personally, I am going to take that initiative to make sure say baby I will smoke you out. Opa market on the wall. O Kevin Taylor. Say me na me start here and me die. Evidence you see me. I'm looking for you. Virginia I want to no. Sa basement na wo na. Oh sorry no was so TV as use my to equipment amount. And a penny be organ be obi a organ be odi natem. Kevin Taylor, I know where you are. Odi me say my enso ekukwado in we. Ye so no in we are. Me opa you can bet with my last kobo. Baby I will be our America. I will smoke you out. Opa market on the wall. Also ye Bema pass Kevin Taylor also ye Bema. Jina ye na me Owusu Bempah obi anya me meye me na me se wo Kevin Taylor me se o ya Bema opa ene me antomenchia me se tomenchia na face me ba so a me kire wo data me de ba me kire wo time me de ba America me kire wo date ni hour ni minute ni seconds am de be lanti e wo JFK ana me do America Virginia ho na wa me ba through Dallas International Airport na me do wa o ya Bema come and meet me. Let's face each other. So you Bema power boss. Don't hide in caves. Bema be any NDC. Omu kasakeke. And I'm telling you.
Don't waste your money. Don't waste your ticket, maybe. I swear to God, Owusu Bempah, me Ghana nyawo dead biemu. Ebe o se sene. Ghana. Sa ekro Ghana no. Me eko. Me ma woni nje Ghana biemu. Don't waste your ticket. Don't waste going to take a visa. Don't do anything. Stay. I am bringing the fight to you. Oh yeah, Bema. That's why I keep telling people, say, me time for Obia. I have time for everyone. Where you 2020 now can some way. And I kept it in the archives. I did not respond to it. I knew what I was doing. I will bring the fight to you. Expect me very soon. Me this how dan me twajatum. Na me twatuma na ma head your Bema. They see oh what to me or your Bema no watch me. Me twajatum. And as Owusu Bempah, me eko, me say me ba. Sa edana wudi sika, uwie sika siye, me twajatum. Mema wa abunkotodwe on camera and beg me. Yeah. It's wrong. Me how wants about America. Who is sika, who is energy. I'll bring it to you. Share. Osako tena
well to me say ANS Owusu Bempah na start here. Aye. And a Kevin so Kevin dey no. Emo dey Kevin no tum say wo kasa won keka mu so tum say ne eba no emu odu anu odem pa won tie mu won ye ne ho gidigidi na tum say wo kasa mbempa. Hey! Ekwentua. Akra.